Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to revise the data file handling, in which we will discuss about the removing white spaces after reading from the files. White spaces means we have some blank spaces before the strings and after the strings. So how to remove this white space or blank space from the string using the read and readline functions. We have some functions strip, lstrip and rstrip. First of all, we will understand what is the read line and read functions. Reads the data from the file and return it into the form of string, and read lines returns data in the form of list. This is the important thing you should be remember. Read line returns the data in the form of list. Yes, read lines make the string in the form of list, returns the data. Okay. All these read functions also read leading and trailing white spaces. Okay, new line characters. If you want to remove these characters, you can use functions. Read functions and read functions, read and read line. All these read functions read the white spaces. White spaces means new line, blank spaces. So we should remove these spaces from the files. Then we will have the functions, following functions: strip, lstrip and rstrip. Strip removes the given characters from both ends. Lstrip removes the space given characters from left end. Rstrip removes given character from the right end. Okay. Now let's see the example. Example of strip functions, lstrip functions and rstrip functions. First of all, children's, you can see in these examples, first of all we will open the file my file. Here my file is the object, equal to open. Open function is used to open the files ipl.txt. This file, in these files we have not used any mode, so that the by default mode will be apply. What will be the by default mode? R mode, read mode. Okay. If we do not write the mode of the file, then the file will open the in read mode by default. Okay. Now the line 1 myfile.readlines. This myfile.readline will read the line and store the line into the line 1. Length of line is length, find out key. First of all, line 1 dot r strips. You can see this output. Length of line is 15 character. Okay, and print length of line is line 1, line 2 my file read line next. Here in this example, first print the line of length, and after that apply the rstrip, lstrip, okay, functions, and after that using these functions we print the length. Here is examples Mumbai Indians. Okay, in this line we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, and first is the space. Okay, 15 characters, so the length of line is 15. Here we have applied the rstrip function selection, then it will remove the from the right side the space. Okay, after that we will check the length of this line is the 14 characters. I hope that all of you understand this concept, rstrip, lstrip or strip. Similarly, we can remove the spaces from the left side. So we have lstrip options. Suppose we have the next line Chennai Super Kings, and this line has the length of the 25s. After using the lstrips, it removes the 5 characters, and we have, after removing the characters, the length of line is the 19. Okay, and you can do this practical in your system. Now the file pointers. File pointers is a very important role in file handling whenever we want to fetch the details or data from the files. Every file maintains a file pointer which tells the current position in file where reading and writing operations will take. When we perform any read-write operations, two things happens. The operations at the current position of the file pointer advances by the specified number of bytes. Yes, if you want to read from the file from the beginning positions, from the current positions, and from the end positions. Okay. Example, here we have the ipl.txt and file will be opened in write mode. Mumbai Indians, Chennai Super Kings. The file pointer will be by default at first positions. First characters represent the M. If we want to read this from this file, ch equal to myfile.read1, ch will store the first character is consumed and file pointer will move to the next characters. Now the file pointers will indicate the second characters u. Okay, and after that if we execute this statement ch equal to myfile.read1 again, then it will read the second characters u. Okay, understand? File mode and opening positioning of file. RB plus beginning of the files. Standard input, output and error stream. Standard input keyboard, standard output monitor, standard error monitor. Okay, if we want to enter the data from, then we will use the standard input keyboard and display on monitors, and error will be display on monitors. Okay, for this we have the standard in, std in reads from the keyboard, std out display output on monitor, standard error same as std out but normally for errors only. Okay, standard input output and error system. Here we can see that standard devices are implemented as files called standard formats in Python, and we can use them by using the sys module. After importing sys module, we can use standard streams stdin, stdout, stdr. The sys module work as similar that if we are using the math modules just like power, sqrt, abs functions, tan, sin, cosine, then we will have to import the math modules. Similarly, if we use this stdin, stdout and stdr, first of all we will have to import the sys module. Okay students, I hope that this concept will be clear for you. If you have any problem, then you can discuss with me. Okay, we will discuss the next with statements or all things binary file operations in next slide. So thank you and have a nice day.